This farmer was working in his farm when a tiny bird suddenly started screaming. Instead of flying away, it kept trying to make him stop. Most people would have ignored it, but this farmer realized the bird was trying to let him know something very important. So instead of driving through that area, he carefully steered his machine to the other side of the field. But before I show you why, if you believe every life matters, no matter how small, then like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends to remind them that even the smallest act of kindness can make a big difference. Now, back to the video. The bird wasn't trying to protect itself. It was protecting its tiny eggs hidden beneath the soil. Always pay attention, because sometimes the smallest signs can save a life.